Here are the three ways you can try to insert a degree symbol into Google Docs. First, we can use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus 0176 on the numeric key. So the numeric key is on the right side of the keyboard, but if you're using a laptop or other portable devices, then you might want to use the FN key. So the combination is going to be Alt, FN, and then 0176. Let me give you an example. When I press and hold Alt, I'm going to follow it with 0, 1, 7, and 6, and this will bring me this tiny degree symbol that I could use on my document. Another method you can try is by using special characters in the Google Docs menu. Go to Insert, Special Characters, and then you can type degree right here, and this will bring you some of the degree symbol that you could use on your document. I think this is the one that we are looking for, and there you go. Now we have this degree symbol using the second method. And the third method is, I think, the one that you might want to use, especially if you want to insert the degree symbol quite a lot on your document. Let me copy this symbol first. And then I'm going to visit the Tools menu, Preferences, Substitutions, and then here I'm going to replace the word dig, D-E-G, like that, and then I'm going to paste this degree symbol and click OK. So basically when I type D-E-N-G and then followed by spacebar, that keyword will turn into this character. And of course you can always go back to Tools, Preferences, Substitutions to manage all the auto replace feature in Google Docs. Let's say I can disable, or you can even delete that keyword, and that's basically how you can insert a degree symbol in Google Docs. I hope that helped.